Good morning, guys. Keynote with Nova Gas here. I'm over in Dunloren Woods this morning, hooking up a log set I started installing last week, I think. If you see my last videos, it was the one with the holly bushes that beat me up. I'm fixing my shutoff valve because I like to flip them around and lock them out before they're ready to use. And then I'm going to go and fire this thing up. I've got the log set installed. Now I just have to show them how to use it. So I'm going to set some pictures in here, maybe a short video of this thing running, and I'll upload that today so you guys can see what it looks like. This one I installed a G10 series real Fyre log set. I can't remember what log design they went with, but that's the burner we went with. Variable flame, fully automated remote. So I will put a picture in, or a short video rather, of that one running as soon as I get this thing up and going. Alright, I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, call me if you need. I think we're good to go. Call me if you want to do this in your home. 703-424-5467. Thanks, guys. I'll see you on the next one.
Running